Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiads Math Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting problem, algebraic identity based question. This is x squared plus y squared minus xy is equal to 2, and second one is x power 4 plus y power 4 plus x squared y squared is equal to 8. Then we need to calculate this one. X and y may be any numbers. Okay. Then how to use this, how to think about this problem first. You can see here x power 8 plus y power 8 is there. You know that x power 8 plus y power 8, how to write? X power 4 plus y power 4 whole square minus 2 times x power 4 y power 4, right? Because if you expand it, plus 2 x power 4 y power 4 will get. If you remove it, minus 2 x power 4 y power 4, it will be cancelled, right? Okay, fine. Now our target is to find x power 4. So we need to find out x power 4, y power 4, and second one is what is xy. That is only we need to find out. You can see how to find out this. Just a given thing. Let's take this as 1, right? X square plus y square minus xy is equal to 2. Just you send xy to the right side. X square plus y square is equal to 2 plus xy. Now squaring on both sides, because we need x power 4 plus y power 4, right? Squaring on both sides. So what will get? X square plus y square whole square. So 2 plus xy whole square. Got it? Fine. Expand this. X power 4 plus y power 4 plus 2x square y square is equal to 4. Right side will be 4 plus x square y square plus 2 into 2, 4xy. Clear? So now x square plus y square is there, no, right side. You send to the left side. What will get? X square plus y square, x power 4 plus y power 4 plus 2x square y square minus x square y square is equal to this first term and last term. You can see 4 you take common, 1 plus xy. Clear? Okay, fine. Then what will get here? X power 4 plus y power 4, right? This is 4 plus x square y square is equal to 4 into xy plus 1, right? But you know that x power 4 plus y power 4 plus x square is already given to 8. Now you can substitute this one here. 8 is equal to 4 into xy plus 1. So 1 times, here is 2 times. So xy plus 1 is equal to 2, xy is equal to 1. So clear? Okay. Now how to calculate the x power 4 plus y power 4? But you know that second equation, right? I'll take another page. X power 4 plus y power 4 plus x square y square. X square y square is equal to 8 is given. Therefore, x power 4 plus y power 4. What is xy? We got it. Xy whole square we can write. X power 4 plus y power 4. What is xy? 1, right? Xy we got it 1, right? Okay. So 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, x power 4 plus y power 4 is equal to 7. Okay. Now we need to find out the x power 8 plus y power 8. We need to use this identity, right? Let's do this here. X power 8 plus y power 8 plus, equal to what? X power 4 plus y power 4 whole square minus 2 x power 4 y power 4. Clear? Now what is x power 4 plus y power 4 is 7. 7 square minus 2 into xy whole power 4 we can write. 7 square is 49. 49 minus 2 into 1. So 49 minus 2 will be, so 47. X power 8 plus y power 8 will be 47. So what actually they're asking, so P is equal to x power 8 plus y power 8 plus xy whole power 2014, right? So what is x power 8 plus y power 8? 47 plus what is xy? We got it just now, we got it now 1. So the answer will be 48 is your answer. Okay, I hope everyone understood. You have to learn the techniques, how to think the problem, right? Before solving these questions, right? Okay. So if you like this video, if you like this channel, you can subscribe it, like it and share to your friends. Please don't just watch the YouTube and you can just simply or without subscribing, there is no use actually, right? So you can get the update. What are the videos we are posting, you can able to get a new update, right? So therefore you can subscribe the video. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you.